Hi, I'm Jeep and welcome to my channel, Roam with Jeep, and I want to thank all of my new subscribers. This here is an old build I used to have and I had a bunch of adventures in. I wanted something different though. I wanted something more fun, something more usable and practical. So I decided to go back to the drawing board. I had this idea in my head, I drew it out, and I just imagined what it would look like in my Jeep. So I set everything up. It looked pretty cool. I really was happy with the design. And so I decided to get some flooring for it just to make it solid. And then I painted all of the panels just to make it somewhat professional. And after the setup, after everything was done in the Jeep, this is the end result. And this build has gotten me to places I never thought I would go. This is Palo Canyon, the Grand Canyon of Texas. This is Colorado. Northern Colorado, awesome for dispersed camping, and this is Oklahoma, another great spot for camping. And you know what? The adventures never end, and they will continue. So I decided to do a complete makeover in the inside of my Jeep. I've got some sewing to do. Can't wait to see what it's going to look like, and can't wait to show you what it's going to look like. These are the pieces of the interior that I'm going to be changing out. Now, when I did this, I just sewed this, but I did it kind of lazily, where it's just like, you know, the bottom part that I don't really show. But on this one, I'm going to try to be a little neater on that. Well, we'll see how it goes. The process should be pretty simple. All I need is this. So today is another day, and yeah, I've got this sewn together. I'm going to go ahead and turn it inside out, and this is going to be for the mattress for the Jeep. Yeah. And I'm really excited to see what it's going to look like. What do you think? Do you think I did a great job? Ta-da! How cool does that look like? I got two cool things in the mail that are going to be part of the Jeep Camper Makeover. Right now, I don't have the new mic, the external mic connected. This is what it sounds like without the external mic. And now I'm going to plug it in. Let's see the difference. All right, now it's got the external mic. I'm going to go ahead and clip this here like this. You can't really see it because I'm wearing a black shirt. Now I'm going to plug in these lights so you can see what it looks like. First of all, let me turn the kitchen light off. Whoop. Woo, okay, here we go. Oh snap, this is dope. I feel like Christmas. I feel like a Christmas tree, literally. See, oh wow, you see the screen? Look at all these little lights. That's pretty cool. Well, there you have it. I've got my new external mic and these lights. Let's go see what the Jeep looks like with the full makeover. Yeah. Let's go ahead and take a look to see what it looks like without the furnishings inside. This is my new setup. And as you can see, I've got the vines. I've got lights also. They're all integrated within the vines that I put. I tightened all the screws because after a year of camping and overlanding in this setup, but now it's pretty solid. And then I added this. First things first is the hinge. Okay, this is the hinged extended platform because I like sleeping with my head on this side here.
the top of the bed is super sturdy, and it won't come off of the lip when I'm going through tough terrain. This whole setup is super easy to take apart and to set up as well. This here is visible. This is basically just a little cupboard where I can just stuff anything. Decided to keep this mesh top up here, the alien mesh top, because I can store my clothes up here. I did this last time when I went to Colorado. This is the extension I was talking about. It just extends the bed a little wider. This is gonna prop up like this. So much fun showing you all this. Up here on top of the sound bar, I do have a 2x4, which I'll use to divert the rain towards the front of the vehicle, and I'll explain that. This way it creates a little high hump here, and the tarp will be just about here, right? So the rain will go out this way and not this way. It'll be awesome. I can't wait to use it. Let's get this makeover started. One of the most important parts of this build is the pad. Okay, that's where it's gonna go. The extension part is gonna go in here. You go like this, just like that. Here as well. Basically a faceplate for the sides. Storage space underneath, it just slides in like this.
I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cutter is out to be my lady on me.
Thanks for joining Roam with Jeep. Until next time, I just want to thank all of my new subscribers. Thank you very much, and I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. In the meantime, Roam with Jeep.
Everything you do gives me butterflies. I asked you for the time. You got it damn right. And everything you do gives me butterflies. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cutter is out to be